When you think about hot convection cleaning, think about that event as really only requiring 3, 4, or 5 shifts to complete the cleaning. But what's really important is it's safe and it's efficient. We're utilizing dry ice. We deliver it through the tip of our lance with line of sight help to direct the cleaning. So when that dry ice leaves our tooling, the act of sublimation will simply create the turbulence or scrubbing action right at the edge of the tubes themselves, and that's what will push the debris off. This is very effective at dislodging loose debris and even the tightly packed sulfuric cement that some call it. So the small chips or heavies will drop to the furnace floor, and all the very light material will simply be swept out the stack. So there's no opacity issues or anything like that when we perform the cleaning.